Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to close your account on Fandango. And if you want to close your account on Fandango but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Fandango app on your device. So if you have not installed, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that you just need to open the Fandango app and make sure that you are logged into the account which you want to delete. So if you are not logged into the account which you want to delete, then you won't be able to delete it. So from here you just need to click on the option of profile icon at the very top left, and here you'll see the option of message, my orders and all of it. So the thing is that you can't simply directly delete the account from the Fandango, but you can request it through the customer support. So you just need to find the customer support or help center in this page. As you can see, there is the option available of help, so click on it, and from there it will take you to the support page of the Fandango. And from here you just need to scroll down, and here you'll see the option of account management and all of it. So click on the option of account management and it takes you to another page. From here you'll see the various articles which they have provided, and from here you just need to find the article which is delete my page, and you may simply delete it by following this step, or you may also chat with an expert of the Fandango and you may ask or request him to delete your account from the Fandango. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to delete your account on the Fandango. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.